So, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we learned about how to develop or design a questionnaire in Kobo Collect so that you generate a form that can be used to collect data from your target people or target objects. So today we are going to look at how you can deploy now that develop questionnaire or that design form so that it can be able to so that the people can be able to utilize it to collect the data. So you go to your Kobo Collect, you open it, and then you go to projects that you have set. So the last time the what we were setting was household survey. So you need to open it, and then now you can also have a look at when was it done, how many question was done, on by who, where, in terms of submission and everything. So you go to form, you go to here form, and then you are told that undeployed. So this form has not been deployed. So we are going to deploy it. So we have deployed it, the question, but we need to select what you want people to collect the data in terms of what. So we have different uh, form. So you can have people to collect the in terms of online, offline, multiple submission, online, only multiple submission. Then also we have online, once per respondent, embedded web code, view only, Android application. Then also you can allow submission to this form without a username or password. So we can allow that. So we are going to have people to submit using this, and then I'm going to copy this. And then now we are going to let's say we copy it here and see. So my form is already deployed, and people can I can share the link with other people so that they can submit their respondent. So let's try out filling this form. So let's say my name is Zed, and phone number is 07 14 27 0904, and then my gender is female. We are just filling to see. My age is 27. My county is Mumak. My sub county. This is just an example of how you can utilize the deployed form. What is the name of the farmer group? So I belong to women enterprise. We just enterprise. How many acres of land does this own? Maybe you have 5. Under maize, you have 2. How long has been in this business of growing maize? 1 to 3 years. The hybrid that I utilize, this one. How many maize plots? Maybe I have 1. When did you last plant maize? So last year. So I'd set for the text, and then last month, and then I had set also for the date. So let's say on 10th. Let's pick how many bags of maize did you plant. So maybe I say 5. Approximately how many tons? Maybe I had uh, 50 tons or 47. And then what was the main sources? I bought it from the seed entrepreneur, sorry. So I bought it here. Did you receive maize? Did you receive maize from the project? No, maybe I did not. How many kgs did you receive? 0. Did you? No or yes. I use it as livestock feed, and then I submit. So I've submitted one form. I can fill as many forms as possible. So here, so I can look at data and see. So you are able to see the submission, and it's going to show you how many. So you can start now working on validating, reviewing, and then it's showing you when how many minutes or hours did I take to do the submission, and then what was the full name of the farm and all other information. So we can go back to the form, and then so this one was it allowed online, offline, multiple submission. But if I want, let's say where I online, you do online only, multiple submission. So this one is for the offline. So someone, I can say I just want people to online only single submission, so that I don't have duplicates and everything, so that I don't have people submitting as many forms. So you can have that, so that people don't submit many entries, so that you have duplication. And then you can allow people where, if it is voting, maybe you have a form where people, you have generated a form where you want to make people to vote, you can also have that multiple submission. But if it is a data collection from your target group, it's good to have only single submission, so that people don't submit as many entries as possible, which will make duplication and will make your work to be lengthy. Thank you so much for watching this video.